Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Aditya Patil. Today is 13th of December 2022. Yesterday we have saw about what is recursion in Java. Today we are discuss about difference between object oriented programming and functional programming. It means difference between OOPS and FP. What is meant by DFP and what is meant by OOPS? We are know in this today's session, and what is advantage and disadvantage of both programming and paradigms we are saw today. First, what is object-oriented program? Object-oriented programming (OOP) is the most common and widely used programming model. OOP accentuates using object and classes. For the application of this model, we need to divide the software variables into so-called classes with object categories, and then build the architecture based on the predefined classes. The paradigm is characterized by structure of resembles a tree with a rod and branch with a root and branches. Each class inherits properties from its parent, and all of this together is a complex uh, artificial system that integrates uh, for for ease of use of the coding language. OOP is an object-oriented programming language, include Python, Pascal, C++, Java, etc. Why is OOP good? Why is object-oriented programming is good? First, OOP reproduces simple and understandable structures from complex things. Second, you can reuse OOP objects to write other programs. Third, many libraries and frameworks speed up the development as can easily integrated into your architecture. And fourth one is a wide segment of OOP developers is ready to assist you in any task. What are the disadvantages of OOP? Sorry. In the course of work, there many be of some errors because some classes is not inherited the way you uh, check. Since the variables are not strictly typed, means categorized, and some variables can be easily go to the another class. In the complex system, it will be the extremely difficult to detect errors. If you want to scale the project, it will be complicated because the larger to program to more the difficult problems arise. The result of the large project is just a huge price of code that the describes class inheritance, cancels some things and introduce exceptions. Changes in the program at the request of the customer, you only create a new layer of confusion, the result of which will be the more and more errors. With the introduction of additional functionality, the program can run less smoothly and usually operate slowly. Finally, it becomes almost impossible to fix something very often when transferring such as a project to new team. It is easier for programmers to start making it from scratch rather than looking for problems in the existing code. In functional programming, everything is more transparent. Is the family of languages which is the targeted at the creation of complicated systems. Because of the strong typization, there is a change in the variable types. Everything is more stable and predictable. Code review is quicker in the code of more compact and clear. What is functional programming? Functional programming is the number of software engineering in the which we try to describe the solution of via mathematics function. In the concept of coding belongs to declarative ones. In the object oriented program, the accent is on how to solve this. At the same time, the functional focuses on the what do we solve. Some of the popular functional languages is Haskell, Rust, Nix, and Elixir. What is difference between functional programming and object-oriented programming. Functional programming pays attention or functional approach to writing and implementing softwares. With object-oriented program, as the name suggests, focuses on using the objects as central coding elements and the integration of ready functions of frameworks. Second is functional programming uses the fixed data structure, while object-oriented program applies a variable one. Third is the functional approach characterized by a declarative coding model with the OOP pays attention to imperative coding. Fourth one is FP is compatible with parallel coding through the OOP concept. Rarely does so. Next is there is a do definite code order for the statements to fulfill during FP through OOPS needs to have to a static order for the completion of statement. Next is the fundamental components of FP are functions and immutable data, while the OOP is in the role of objects. In difference between both of them, we conclude that although both OOP and FP are important notions, pursuing the same objective of creating easy to use softwares without errors. Their mechanism are opposite. OOP words are the imperative coding model founded as a set of primitives given by coding language. FP is tightly related to the declarative model. OOP versus FP is an external dilemma. The biggest efficiency in the development of simple, typical project of OOP, while for the creation of very complicated, scalable and flexible software system, FP will be the work better. The best way is to collect all the wishes and share them with the expert development team. They will be evaluate your case and provide the most effective and accurate programming solutions. Today we are stop here. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.